y'all come with me to relax and cut my thin hair. So I like to get started using Fido specific. It's a no lie relaxer. And I like to use the number one because, like I said before, my hair is very fine. I'm doing my scalp. Well, I'm basing my scalp using the base that it came with. But because my hair is thin, I can get 4 uses out of this relaxer. So I ran out of the base that they had and just started using my own base because it is what it is. I haven't relaxed my hair in probably like 2 months, so I'm literally just kind of just slapping it on. I'm not doing it in no specific type of way, especially around the sides. Now, when I get to the top, then I'll go ahead and smooth it on the right way. Now, I am, what do you call, ambidextrous or whatever. I can use both of my hands for almost anything except cutting and writing. So you'll see me kind of switching back and forth, just relaxing my hair. And I love this relaxer because it does kind of like spoil the cuticle. It's very gentle. So if you have real sensitive scalp, because even like a normal no lie relaxer still burns me really bad. So Fido is like here. So you can see my hair is very thin. And along with using the Fido, I did use Kenra's thickening shampoo and conditioner as well. And I did give myself a treatment. I'm also using Main Life's collection Main Mint Foam, of course. What would I mold my hair with anything else other than that? And I'm just doing a regular mold. I don't generally curl my hair because I just don't like the way it looks. It's thin. It just my grandma just blessed me with her thin hair, so that's what I'm working with. But I do like to give myself like a cute little mold around the sides, just to kind of spruce it up a little bit. And you can see in the top, it's fine. So now my hair is dried, and y'all don't understand. This is very hard for me because I do shortcuts. I specialize in shortcuts. I have my own product line, and I don't even really like do a lot of content using my products on myself, and it's just because my hair. So I'm gonna clipper cut the back of my hair, and I have the clipper open all the way. And I normally have like somebody kind of hold a mirror for me while I do this, but I didn't, and I really was kind of blind cutting, and I made a patch. I will fix that. I will fix it later, so y'all just ignore that part right now because I'm gonna have to wait until I can get somebody to actually hold the mirror for me so that I can use both hands to cut and not and actually see what I'm doing to blend it. But I'm taking some main glaze and going over my hair, just kind of laying it down flat. I don't really wear curls because it's thin. So this is some Kenra dry oil, and I'm out.